When we're doing long division, there are really just 4 steps that we need to remember. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. We had the great hint today from a student to say dad, mom, sister, brother is a good way to remember those 4 steps. After the B or brother step, where we bring down a letter, you just start it all over again. So let's see what that looks like. This is letter C on your homework. 859 divided by 5. The first step is to divide. So we need to think, how many times does 5 go into 8? Or what is 8 divided by 5? We're only looking at this first digit. Well, I know that 5 times 1 is 8, and 5 times 2 is 10. 10 is too big, so we're just going to use 1 time. The next step is to multiply. We multiply from the top going down. So 1 times 5 is 5. Our next step down here says to subtract. 8 minus 5 equals 3. And finally, we bring down the next number. I'm going to bring down the 5. And now we start over again. Divide. How many times does 5 go into 35? Or what is 35 divided by 5? Well, I know that 5 times 7 is 35. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. Now we need to multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract again. 35 minus 35 is 0. And B for bring down that next number. 9. Okay, I'm going to try to remember without looking at my hint at the bottom. We just brought down the next one, and I'm thinking dad, mom, sister, brother. Then we start over with D for dad or divide. What is 9 divided by 5? Well, again, 5 times 1 is 5, but 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 is too big. So we just need to use 1. Now we multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. Dad, mom, sister, S. So next we need to subtract. 9 take away 5 is 4. The next step is to bring down a number, but we're out of numbers. So that means that we have 4 left over. So at the top we can just write remainder 4. So our answer would be 171, remainder 4.